Hey, Sobakale Noboda, the president of Northern Consensus Movement, issued out a serious warning to Sunday Ighoho today. You remember that Sunday Ighoho gave an ultimatum to all the Northerners living in Yoruba land, telling them to evacuate from Yoruba land few days back. Following that warning, the president of Northern Consensus Movement also issued another warning to Sunday Ighoho, telling Tinubu as well to caution Sunday Ighoho that if Sunday Ighoho carry out his threats, that them as well are going to follow it up by banning and evacuating every Yoruba person from the northern Nigeria, and they are going to ban food supply to the south. Watch the video and hear it from the horse's mouth.
Every Nigerian has a right to live in any part of the country. Just of recent, Sunday Ighoho was released from prison, but he issued a fresh ultimatum for Fulani community that are residing in Yoruba land to leave the region within 10 days. This time around, we, the Northern Consensus Movement of Nigeria, will do everything possible to stop that move. And if he refuses to listen if he resists to listen, then we have no option rather than to ask Yorubas that are resident in the northern Nigeria to also go back to their region. On the issue of compensation for our victims as a result of NSAS killing, Shasha Akinyele market killings, IPOP and ESN killings, we have been pursuing it for some years now. Since previous administration, a lot of promises were made, but still the federal government refused to fulfill the promise. So we are requesting Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on this issue of compensation to do something on it, as we are given 4 weeks ultimatum. If nothing is being done, then we are actually going a peaceful protest, peaceful demonstration, after which we will shut down the country on all food supplies moving from north to all southern part of the country. This thing we have sent to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu even before he was inaugurated as president. And as President Commander-in-Chief, we have also forwarded this demand and request. All security agencies, the head of security agencies of this country are aware of it. All governors of 19 northern states, all former leaders, the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, most especially those that come from the north, are aware of it. The Northern Traditional Council are aware of it. The 19 northern state assemblies are also aware of this issue. It's not a new matter. We have been pursuing this issue since during the NSAS, the Shasha Akinyele market killings, and that of the ESN and Nnamdi Kanu's killings. The National Assembly, I repeat, is fully aware of it under Senator Ahmed Lawan. That was mentioned specifically, and a bill was passed in that respect. So we are saying and demanding that the President and Commander-in-Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu first pay this compensation, and also we are asking the Afenifere, the Yoruba Socio-Cultural Organization, to call Sunday Ighoho to order on this continuous harassment and intimidation of our people that he is doing. I repeat, what we are shying away from this thing not because of fear. We are not cowards. We are doing so because we respect constituted authority and we respect our elders. We are cultured and we respect the culture. So call him to order so that he does not carry out his threat. If he's allowed to do that, I repeat, we will have no option than to do the same. And we are saying that we have the capacity to do the same thing.
Nigeria is just like a car running on an empty tank. You know that it must definitely stop you on the way. Any country that is caught and joined like Nigeria will always have issues. Make you no surprise us say one day we feel sleep, wake up, come they see say we need visa to travel to the northern Nigeria, and the northerners need visa to travel to the southern Nigeria. It is gradually loading. If care is not taken, if nothing is done about it, it must surely happen. May God help us.